Welcome back, ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, it's something different. Today I'm going to be showing you the best contact lens for brown skin. Today's video is in collaboration with a company called haniix. They are into contact lens of different types. They have the one that you can just wear if you want to be stylish, that you want to match it with your outfit. Yes, because some people can go by that. They can match their outfits with the contact lens that they have in their inside of their eyes. Or if you want to do prescription, also they offer that. They have a wide range of contact lenses on their website that I believe you can just go check them out and see what they have going on now. So I have a discount code I'm going to be sharing with you that you can use to purchase from their website. So without further ado, ladies, let's jump right into today's video. This is how the box came in. At the outside part of the box, I actually love how it's beautiful. Inside of the box, when you first open it, I love how they put that seal on it. It's just beautiful. When you open it up, you're going to see a thank you card, and behind the cards you have two QR codes. One is to teach you how to put your contact lenses on, it's lens tutorial, and the other one is for lash tutorial. So you can just it's just like a guide. It's going to guide you on how to do both things that I mentioned, to put in your lashes or to put in your contact lens. Then moving on, when you open the beautifully sealed packaging with that gold stamp, like, it's very unique. I love it. When you open it up, inside of it we're going to see makeup puff. That's going to help you, like when you're putting on your contact lenses, you probably will mess up your makeup, then you just use that makeup puff to just kind of dab or need to smoothen out whatever mess you have made under your eyes. Moving on, we have the applicator, which I think is very hygiene. Instead of using your fingers to, even though your fingers will be washed like I've washed mine, the applicator, it's more necessary, it's more ideal. I think it's more healthy and hygiene for you to use that. But if you don't know how to use it, I'm going to recommend that you should please make sure your hands, your fingernails beds are very clean. Then moving on into the box, we have three eye contact lenses that I feel like they'll be very perfect for brown skin girls. So without further ado, ladies, let's jump right into today's video. This is how the contact lenses is individually packed. Very beautiful, colorful. I love how it's just have this ombre design going on. That is how we have it in other ones that I'm going to be presenting. And we are going to go ahead and just take this one out. Absolutely beautiful. We'll go ahead, and it came with, and it has the case that when you take it out, you can just put it inside of it. I'm going to be putting the names of this one, whichever one that I tried on, I'll put their names on the screen. All right, so this is how it came. Of course, we have this for both eyes, and we have the storage, which you already have the rights. Then when you have the rights, definitely this is the left. On their website, you can shop contact lens according to how long you want to have them. They have contact lens that you can use for a month straight, the one that you can use for 6 months straight, or the one that you can use for 1 year straight before you replace them. Also, you can shop by cosplay, and also they are for dark eyes. I mean, that is why we are here. All right, I chose the one that I very believe, in my own opinion, that I believe they're going to be very suitable for brown skin girls just like me, dark skin girls just like me. So in order not to prolong this video, I'm just going to show you one of it, how I'm going to put it in and how I'm going to take it out. Then the remaining two, I'm going to do them off the camera, like put them in, take them out, but I'm going to show you what they look like, of course. So we have this speaker here. You use it to pick up your contact lens. When you put it on the applicator, this is how it's going to look. There. When I use my fingers, just like that, fast and furious. But when I use applicator, it takes forever. So do what works for you. This is what works for me, but my hands and fingers are clean. All right, so here is the difference. So we have the contact lens right here, and I don't have one here, so look at it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the second one, but I just wanted you ladies to see the difference, and I can see clearly in it. It's not blurry, it's very, very clear. I can see far, I can see near, I can see numbers, I can see letters. Canon, my camera is CANON. Yeah, I can see that. I can see the numbers that are written there, 1 3 5 5 6, like very, very clear. And I can see the books I have on my shelf very far away from me. I can see the title, they are very big. I can see everything very clearly. So when you want to take it out, this is the remover. I struggled with it with this one, so I'm not going to be using it. I'm just going to be using my finger. Please do what works for you. At the same time, make sure your hands are clean. So I'm just going to go like this. I'm going to look down, then I'm going to pinch it in the middle. In my own opinion, I absolutely love this particular one. It's just perfect for brown skin girl. I love this color, Iceland brown. Iceland brown. Just in case if you want to go look for this one, this is absolutely beautiful. It just, the Iceland brown and the dazzle brown, they kind of look similar, but they are different entirely. The other one is a little bit this one is a dark brown, while that one is a lighter brown. If you look at the differences between both of them as I compare them on the screen, look at that. I absolutely love this one too. Like, seriously, I was like, I'm rooting for Iceland brown, but now Dazzle brown has taken the whole crown, has taken the whole room attention. Oh yeah, I absolutely love this one too. This one is beautiful too. What do you all think? Which one is your favorite? Which one? Let me know in the comment section, and please ladies, don't forget to check in the description box for more details. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comment section as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.